Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we work and create, and the best part is, you don't have to break the bank to get started. By the end of this video, you'll have discovered the top 5 free AI tools that can supercharge your productivity and creativity. You'll learn about a range of tools, from text and image generators to design and video editing platforms, and how to use them to achieve real-world results. We're starting with ChatGPT, a powerful text generator that can create human-like writing in seconds. You can use it to draft social media posts, and a quick tip is to provide it with specific keywords to get the most relevant output. Next up is Claude, another AI text generator that can help with tasks like email writing, and a great use case is using it to draft formal business emails. Just make sure to review and edit the output for a personal touch. Number 3 is Midjourney, an incredible AI image generator that can create stunning visuals from text prompts. You can use it to create concept art for a project, and a quick tip is to use descriptive prompts to get the most detailed and accurate results. Here is a powerful one, DALL-E, another AI image generator that can create realistic images and art, and a great use case is using it to generate product images for an e-commerce website. Just be sure to check the usage rights. Canva is a well-known design platform that now offers AI-powered design tools, and you can use it to create stunning graphics and presentations in minutes. A quick tip is to use the AI templates to get started quickly and then customize to fit your brand. Notion AI is a game-changer for note-taking and organization, and you can use it to generate summaries and outlines, and a great use case is using it to organize research for a project. ElevenLabs is a cutting-edge AI voice generator that can create realistic voiceovers, and you can use it to add voice to videos or podcasts. And a quick tip is to experiment with different voices and styles to find the one that fits your content. Runway is an AI video editing platform that can help you create professional-looking videos, and a great use case is using it to edit social media clips. Just be sure to review the output for pacing and clarity. Perplexity is a unique AI tool that can help with research and information gathering, and you can use it to generate questions and prompts. And a quick tip is to use it to explore new topics and ideas. Leonardo AI is a powerful AI art generator that can create stunning artwork, and a great use case is using it to generate concept art for a creative project. Gamma and Suno are 2 more AI tools that can help with tasks like video editing and voice generation, and a quick tip is to experiment with different tools to find the one that fits your workflow. In recap, we've covered ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva, Notion AI, ElevenLabs, Runway, Perplexity, Leonardo AI, Gamma, and Suno, each with its unique capabilities and use cases. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and discover more free AI tools, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. This is part 4 of our free AI tools series, and if you subscribe now, you'll catch part 5, where we'll reveal even more powerful AI tools to transform your work and creativity.